Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing build a boat because this is something we haven't done on Roblox before.
Well, we tried to record a video last night, but it didn't really work.
Yeah, so I didn't post it.
So, and we're gonna be building like a small house, I guess.
Oh, I know, I think I posted the other video, I think.
You did?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm trying to get more wood.
Charlie, you know you need a lot to get wood.
You know what? I just got another wood block.
Charlie, I have a small problem.
What?
This wooden piece, I don't know how to fit it.
Well, then let's delete the other wood piece.
Okay. Delete this one, yep. Delete
So,
this whole thing again. We got 6 blocks back.
okay, I'm gonna try to get more wood. No, I only got a table.
Look, sure it's gonna happen the same thing again.
No. Okay, I don't have any more wood.
Me neither. I only have 2 blocks.
Okay, well, I can build us up some like walls. No, don't get rid of it. No.
Well, I don't know how to make more space.
No, we need that. We need that. Put that back. We need that.
Okay.
Otherwise, this boat's gonna get chopped off.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I'm just trying to put some extra like blocks. Hopefully, this will add like some protection too, because I really don't want to die.
Yeah.
Guys, last time we played, we all got killed. Like we got shoved out of the boat. So that was not fun.
We did like the granny obby, but something went wrong for me, so.
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Guys, I don't think this is gonna be a big house.
Oh, window, perfect.
Well,
Oh wait, hold on. Oh, why didn't I say so?
I don't think this house is gonna be going that high.
Well, you're in luck.
We should probably like make a staircase.
No, we're just gonna make a small house.
No, I want to have a staircase so we can go up high.
Well, that's gonna be hard though.
No, what if we need to abandon ship?
I don't know what this. Oh, this is glass.
Wait, I have an idea. I have such a good idea. I'm smart.
What?
We put the trap door up here.
Charlie, look.
What?
Look.
Oh, that'll work. Okay, we need to add more blocks out here, like on like near the stairs. We need to build up wall.
Charlie, I have no clue what you're doing, but I'll just build the walls.
Build the walls around the stairs so no one can die.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Otherwise, someone's gonna fall out and we're gonna get a lawsuit.
And that's gonna be very good for us for building this.
What? No! No, lots
say-
to.
I'm saying it as an idiom.
Huh?
I'm saying it as an idiom.
Okay.
That's so cool, like different types of blocks.
Yeah, it actually looks really good.
Like, that's the only block you... Oh, okay, good. Now can I put my blocks down?
Yeah, we need more blocks like over here. Like you see at the front. Yeah, we need more blocks.
Hold on, I want to build something here.
Guys, this house ain't gonna be that good, but you know.
It's not... Nothing's perfect.
Exactly. But we're still... Oh no, we're gonna need a roof.
Oh, that's
Can someone
better.
build a roof?
At least you got the wall. Look at that.
No, but we need a roof.
Yeah, but look, the patterns.
Yeah, I understand, but we need a roof.
Oh my, you know what? I'm just gonna... Charlie, just don't make a staircase, okay?
No, but we need a staircase. Don't delete it.
But we don't have enough blocks.
No. No, don't put a block there.
Why?
Because then you can't get up the stairs. Oh, wait. Actually, you can. Okay. Wait, no. Okay. For a second, I was trapped.
Well, I can't.
Wait, no. Because you can just go... I can just come in the door and say, hello.
Oh, there we go. Okay, now to the second floor. But the problem is we have
What?
no blocks. Woohoo!
Yeah, I was thinking we just don't do anything up there. We just
No,
have
we
to...
should not
No,
launch it.
no, we need to put something up there. We need to put, like, seats.
Seats?
Yeah, seats. Like, what if the bottom part gets destroyed? And so we have to like build. So we should.
Oh,
So we,
chairs, you mean? Oh, but I
yeah.
don't have... Oh, yeah, but okay.
See. And then we're gonna block the entrance a little, and then I'm gonna block the entrance off a little bit.
And that's the driver. That's mine.
Don't put a driver's seat up there.
Where then?
Put it inside.
Oh, yeah, that's a smart idea. Why didn't I think of that? So, delete that. Go downstairs. Oh, Charlie, can you remove this block?
Okay, Camilla.
Yeah.
We need to
Charlie,
so
please delete this block. It's in my way.
what block?
This block.
I would, but like the problem is I'm outlining everything.
Can you just delete it? Just one thing that I need to delete.
Okay, bye block. You shall be missed.
Wait, you can make it like the second floor. The walls.
What walls? Oh no, that won't work. Those are too tiny.
How do you... Charlie?
Yeah.
I can't even...
I'm gonna put...
Okay, there we go. I can't even walk. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, guys.
This is very, very small.
You said we were building a small house.
Well, I did say that. That's fine.
You locked me out.
Close the door. Are you ready to launch?
No.
Are you ready?
No, we need to get up. We can't do that. Hop out of the chair. Hop out of the chair. We cannot go yet. We cannot go.
Now
What?
Now what?
Well, now I have to make the front of the house, like, safe.
What?
Now I'm trying to make the front of the house safe.
Oh, okay. We need a lot of blocks, so just put like random blocks in front.
I am. Guys, this part isn't to make it look good. This part is just to like make it so we don't die.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna help you. I got a light switch. I don't know what's that gonna do, but
It's not good. Honestly, just put it here. If the light switch gets destroyed, oh well.
wait, can you move it back and forth? Hold on. Oh, it's back and forth. Actually, I'm not gonna get rid of this.
Oh wait, I forgot to put that on the roof.
Oh, I have one of these blocks, but I don't know where to put it.
Okay.
Block.
Okay, this is looking good. We're about to take off.
Yeah.
No, don't start yet. Don't start yet. We still got some stuff to do.
You said
I'm
about.
just gonna
You never said
throw
go.
I'm just gonna throw every single block I have in front of it, and then hopefully it'll look, and then hopefully we don't die.
Really, I can say that you made this house all by yourself, basically.
Is that bad?
What?
Is that bad?
No. Just saying.
Hold on. I'm adding more balloons. I'm adding balloons at the top. Do you have any balloons?
No, I don't. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna throw a crow's nest on and we go.
Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's get inside.
Hold on, wait. We're not ready. We forgot one more thing.
What is it?
Look at the window behind you.
Oh, the motor!
Hold on. Wait, let me just get it out.
Should we put 2 motors on?
I'm taking this. Is this a motor?
Let's have 2.
Hold on. I don't have to.
No, I have 1. I have 1. Put yours there, and then we can blast off.
Okay, let me get inside the house. Wait, why not? Mine is working.
Wait, maybe you have to press it?
That's
No,
what I'm trying to do.
press the control. Maybe one motor can't work. Why isn't it working? I don't even know how to get this to work. Mine just started working.
Oh well.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Here, you can drive.
No, you could drive.
No, I want you to drive.
No, you drive.
Why?
I don't want to drive anymore.
Okay, sit down because we're about to launch. Okay, I'm about to launch us. Whoa! Guys, oh no.
You're lucky that's not like a rock or something.
No, but we're stuck. Oh, wait, no, we're not.
Charlie, what the hell just happened?
I don't know, but
We're gonna die immediately.
whoa. Okay, I'm trying to get us back on our side. I don't know what to do. Okay, it's better than what was happening before. You know, it's better than what happened before with us upside down. Is the door still on? Guys, the door's gone.
No, the door's here. You just flipped it.
Oh no. Guys, whoa. Guys, I think one of the balloons flew away. Ah!
Charlie, just keep moving.
No one, go outside for the trap door. You will get killed.
Charlie, are you
Whoa.
controlling it?
I'm trying. I'm trying to get it back on our side.
The other balloon took off. Oh wait, never mind.
Okay, Almost. Got us back on. Whoa!
Yay!
It sort of worked. Oh, now we're just getting tipped over.
Charlie, you're
Guys,
going to
this is-
destroy your house.
I'm not trying to. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't be the one driving.
You made all the work. I haven't really did anything.
You know what? I would get out the trap door right now, but we would die. Because it's upside down.
Oh, the door disappeared.
The door's gone.
Yeah.
Hi, Ocean.
Move to the side. Move to the side. Okay, good.
Trying. I'm also trying not to get us thrown out of the boat. Hey, at least you haven't hit anything yet.
You're lucky that. Okay.
Oh, I'm starting to, whoa. I was starting to get in, then I just got thrown into it. I think it had something to do with us being upside down. I think all those blocks shoved us upside down.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Oh, we have two we have two balloons.
Yeah. You know what? I'm just. Oh yes, we're almost on our side again. We were on the right side again. You know what? I think we should flee upstairs or to the side. I would. Okay, never mind. We're gonna get killed.
Charlie, would you just get through the tunnel? Tunnel? Thank you.
Okay. You know what? I'm glad I'm not sitting right there. What? Get us back over here. No, flip us back to where we're supposed. You almost flew out. I'm not getting out of my seat. Oh, there's no seats outside anyway.
Oh,
No!
I fell out. Get me 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 out.
I'm trying. No!
Died.
And now I'm stuck in a boat. And now I'm stuck in a boat that isn't moving. Help. We're trapped. I think I actually doomed our boat.
Yeah. I even died in. Should we?
No, I think the drive when we were driving, I think that killed it.
Yeah. Want to end the video? Let's end the video here.
Yeah. Bye guys, we really didn't get far with our boat.
Hold on, wait. That's not how you do it.
What? Just telling them the truth.
Hi guys. I hope you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.
Bye.